Hello, everybody. Hope you all are doing good today. I am Dr. Shinaj. I'm here to share the feedback on finance workshop conducted by Dr. Bhaudi Pauja. Firstly, I must say that this is a course, must-do course for all those people who lack the basic knowledge of finances. Yes, like many of us, even I hated maths and I took science, thinking that the numbers won't haunt me for rest of my life. But sadly, it is not so. Numbers did haunt me, and yes, I was running behind for the knowledge of finance. I and then came across this wonderful course conducted by which is being conducted by Dr. Baudi Pahuja, and I'm really thankful that I could be a part of this wonderful 2-day program. Sorry, it's a 4-day program or a 2-module program course. Well, it was firstly, it is a, I would say that it's a well-programmed course. Okay, all the basis of finances were covered, and being doctor myself, I was kind of a dilemma whether should I go for this course, because whether I would understand or not regarding this terms of finances or taxes or whatever. But uh, I am really thankful to Dr. Baudi Bauja. He literally, held our hand, or you can say, spoon fed us with the world of finances. It was so easy. Those difficult terms, those confusing terms, he really literally made us understand, each one of us. Each one of us, he literally made us understand what are the concepts, how to go about all it. So thank you, Dr. Bhavdev Pauja, to be very patient with us. Okay, I must say that this is like this particular course is like it's a nursery level, like a preschool level of finance. And yeah, another thing I would like to mention in this particular thing is there are so many online courses. People come, people speak, people give their knowledge, and we listen and we go. What happens is that only 10% gets retained in our system, and not the remaining 90% is gone. Commendable thing here what Dr. Baudi Bahuja has done, that he has provided us with a workbook which is 50% filled by himself. So another 50% we have to fill by our notes taking or our understanding, and make it 100% book. So this book is, like you can say, call it a holy scripture in the world of finance. It has covered our basics of finances. So whenever any doubt is there, you can just open this book and get our doubts clarified. Or yes, at least we can frame, at least in my case, I can at least frame a question which is understandable to anyone, okay, regarding the finance. Even I was so bad at finance that I can't even frame a question regarding finances. But today I am confident, I can ask my queries. At least I can understand most of the things today now. Yeah, because of this workshop. And another thing is that, being a doctors, our financial understanding, or or our financial planning will be different. So before this particular workshop, I was to follow a lot of YouTube finance influencers. And yeah, but I used to not understand the things, concepts, what they were telling, or whether it is applicable in my life. The plus or the greatest point in that, Dr. Baudi Pahuja, he himself is a dentist, he himself is a doctor. So this particular workshop was programmed in such a way that this is the finance planning for doctors itself. He understands our pain points. He understands what are we trying to say. So it was very easily we could relate our lives with Dr. Baudi Pahuja, or our problems with Dr. Pahuja, and he used to answer it in the same way. So big thanks. I don't know. I think words are really short, or words are really less to talk about Dr. Baudi Pauja, the way the man has contributed himself in the world of finances, and he's helping us out there, especially to all the doctors, so that we become literate in terms of financial matters, or investments, or taxations, or anything. And yes, he has helped. I am really confident now that, not really confident, much confident. At least, yeah, I can at least talk. I can sit with my CA and talk to him. I can see those taxations, whatever he has done. At least I can question him. And yes, this is the impact of this workshop. I would recommend each and everyone at least take his workshop, and I have benefited a lot. Thank you, Dr. Raoji Pauja, and I am looking forward to attend other workshops by you as well. Thank you.